What you need is a newspaper, scale, cutter, scissors, and a broomstick or a chopstick where it will help you to roll the newspaper, and glue. If you don't have glue, don't worry. We always have our grandma's tips. Take a bowl of water, cold water, take a spoon of maida, mix it well and put it on the stove and let it boil till it gets into thick consistency. After it cools down, you can use it as a glue. Okay, let's go to the process. Otherwise, you'll be stuck inside. It will be difficult for us to take it out later. So after you do this, secure it with the glue. So this is how you're going to make the rolls. So we have the rolls here. So after you make this, just take the roll, press this. Just simply press this and make it flat. With the help of pencil, pen or anything, make the flattened one into rolls. Rotate it, secure it with the glue, just rotate it. This is how we're going to make a roll with the paper sticks, newspaper strips which we already made. Okay, so once it is done, we're going to again secure it with the glue. So we're going to make the rolls with the strips what we made, and we're going to stick all these rolls together like this with the glue, and we are going to make 2 blocks of 5 by 5 and 2 blocks of 3 by 3 blocks together as a block. We need 2 blocks of 5 by 5 and 2 blocks of 3 by 5. Keep it ready and let's see what we are going to do in our next segment. How to attach each roll. Okay, block. Just attach the glue. Just need to press. So this is how we are going to attach one roll to another and make a block. This is how we made 5 by 5 block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These blocks we have to make 2, and this is 3 by 5 block. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 2 blocks we are going to make, and this 2 blocks we are going to make. Okay. Let's see what we are going to do in the next step. So this is how we are going to paint. Please take care of the corners and the middle portion also. Paint the entire blocks without any gaps. You need to paint front and back both. I'm going to put some Fevicol here. Fix it to one corner. Hold it for some time so that it can stick well. and the other side. So remember here, the next one, we need to put the glue down part and the side part. Okay, so this side is going to this corner is going to attach to this corner, and the base here. So here we go with one side, and the same way we are going to finish this side. Let it dry for some time. Hold it. Now, okay. Now similarly, put the glue and paste the other side. Just remember, when you are using Fevicol, you need to wait for some time. Hold it down. Okay. So now we are done attaching all the sides. So now this is how it's going to look. Okay. So now after this, you can take some pearls. You can take some pearls, paper flowers or anything, and you can decorate it on it. Okay, let's see how it's going to look. And we are ready to use it as a utility box. Let's see how it looks.